From the moment you are a kid or whenever your training starts, you are either training to become a star, a muse for humanity, or you are training to become a professional apologetic student.
Please welcome Robert Hoffman, everybody.
There's these certain realizations that dancers have to come to before they can advance. I want you to shine like the authentic star you were always meant to be. People are going to notice you, call on you, befriend you, a truly in-demand performance artist. The only reason this audition is being held is that choreographer wants to advertise themselves. Those parts have already been booked by the choreographer. How to get an agent. All right, listen up. Tennis shoes are not meant to be danced on marley or carpet. Here's the big secret about resume and headshots. When I would do auditions, I'd always try to pick one step that was a travel step because I knew I was going to draw everyone's eye to me. If you are afraid of looking stupid, then you will never ever truly know what it's like to be cool. A lot of what I'm going to tell you is nothing like what you're expecting and nothing like what you've heard before. It is extra valuable, especially right now. The competition couldn't be any stiffer. At the end of this, you're going to have some epiphanies, and I'm really excited to give that to you. There is so much room for your special little voice, should you be brave enough to truly share it with the world.